workshop. My name is Bharadwaj. I have my colleague Rati with me here. So today we will be hosting the technical workshop call for this week. If you have any questions, please raise your hand. We will allow you the mic, and we will answer your questions one by one. So Kasim Abdo, can you unmute yourself and ask your question, please?
Yes, hello.
Good morning.
Good morning. So we are a 3PL, and we're just starting to get into the pharma storage and distribution business. And we want to test the integration that we have with our system on Tatmeen.
Okay.
And we've been told that we need to first register on Tatmeen, and you will give
Yes.
us test credentials so we can test on the iTest environment.
Okay.
What is the process of registering and how to do that?
Okay. Since you want to integrate your system into Tatmeen, only the active B2B user is eligible to perform integration activities on Tatmeen. Okay.
Okay.
So the Spock user pertaining to your GLN should create or invite the B2B user into into Tatmeen using Tatmeen portal. So this is
Okay.
step number one.
Mm.
Okay. So once the Spock user invites the B2B user, so B2B user will complete the registration by generating username and password on Tatmeen portal.
And who is the B2B user?
B2B user is something we call it as a B2B service user. So in Tatmeen perspective, the B2B user is the technical user who
Okay.
can work on this integration part.
Mm.
Okay.
Okay.
So once the B2B user completes his registration on Tatmeen portal, the
Mm.
B2B user can log in using the developer portal. So developer portal is the place where the Tatmeen APIs are available, which will be helpful for integration purpose.
Okay.
Okay, so the B2B user will have to log in developer portal and then he need to register again for developer portal.
Mm.
So Tatmeen team will review the registration of the B2B user and approves the access request for the B2B user for developer portal. So upon receiving the developer portal approval from Tatmeen side, so this B2B user can log in into developer portal again, where he can subscribe APIs, consume APIs, and generate API key. And using the API key, B2B user can establish the integration connectivity between your system and Tatmeen system.
Okay.
So all these steps are very well explained in technical guides for
Mm.
onboarding on Tatmeen website.
Okay.
Okay. So my suggestion for you is as a first step, explore the Tatmeen.ae website. Technical guides for onboarding. Page
Mm.
number 29 explains about the Tatmeen staging APIs, and page number 35 explains about the Tatmeen production APIs.
So first, if you want to register, we have to create it on the developer portal. But as a
Um,
3PL, we should have our own registration, right?
yes. So as of now, do you have an active B2B user or not?
No, no.
Okay.
Basically,
So,
we have a supplier who has a track and
okay.
trace system, and we
Mm,
are getting that system, and this system is already integrated with Tatmin. So the
got it.
integration is there, and we
Mm,
just want to test it.
okay, got it. So first step for you is the Spock user will have to invite the B2B service user into Tatmeen.
Okay.
So let him create the B2B service user. So this B2B user is eligible for performing integration activities on Tatmeen.
Okay.
Okay. So as I said, once the B2B user is active on Tatmeen portal, the next step is the B2B user can log in into the developer portal and then he need to register again for the developer portal access.
Okay. So basically, our track and trace supplier is the B2B user in this case.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
And remember, only B2B user is eligible to perform the integration activities.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Noted.
All right.
Okay. And later on, once we want to start doing the storage and distribution,
Uh-huh.
as a 3PL, we should have our own credentials,
Yes.
and we'll have to do the registration process, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And how is that done? Is there a document for it, or is it? Because I noticed there's a registration form on the Tatmin website.
Mm.
Is it through that, or is there another process?
Like, if I understand your question correctly, so you are asking about the registration process, or what exactly is your question is about?
Yeah, because I mean, once we start storing and distributing pharmaceutical products for certain
No.
customers,
Mm.
whenever we upload documents on Tatmeen, it has to be through us, through our own credentials as a 3PL.
Yes.
Okay, and to how what should we to do to register and to get these credentials?
Okay, so for your facility, say for your medical center or
Mm,
warehouse, right? So you
mm,
should
mm.
acquire a global location number, GLN.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, once the GLN is acquired, the Tatmeen team will release the invitation link for the user.
Mm,
And using that invitation link, the user can complete the registration process on Tatmeen.
okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So we need to get this GLN.
Yeah, GLN is the first step.
Okay. And where do we get this from?
In order to acquire the GLN, you need to reach GS1 team. Their email
Sure.
ID is tatmeen@gs1ae.org.
Tatmeen at
GS1
GS1.
ae
Okay.
dot org.
.org. Okay.
Write an email to them. They will help you in acquiring the GLN.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Tatmeen gs1uae.org.
Tatmeen@gs1ae.org.
GS1 UAE.
No, there is no UAE. AE. A for Apple, A for English.
AE. Okay. Tatmeen at gs1ae.org. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. No
Okay.
more
All
questions.
right.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Okay. We don't have any other question. We don't see any other participant raising his hand. So please feel free to raise your hand. I will allow you the mic and then we can discuss on your question. I do not see any hands raised by the participants. If there are any questions, please feel free to raise your hands. We'll allow you the mic. Moise, please unmute yourself and ask your question.
Yes, good morning.
Good morning.
Uh, we have raised two similar requests in last past 1 month,
Mm-hmm.
and the issue still persist. The downloadable reports, incoming stock,
Uh-huh.
it is not getting updated. There is something Tatmin team is doing trigger to the in the system as and when I'm raising the request, because again
Mm-hmm. Mm.
I did not receive. Suppose last time when I sent it was around 15th of Feb,
Mm.
and now after 15th till date again I'm not the report is not getting updated. It is not
Yes.
showing, not loading the incoming messages. I also want to know, it's I'm only the person who is facing this, or you are receiving any similar issue with other?
Do you have the ticket number which you raised in the past?
Yes, I have.
Because specific to this, yes, we do have some new customizations coming up in upcoming future.
It was 6750,
1 minute.
the first one.
6750.
Yes.
Okay, so on that day, we have triggered the latest incoming report for you.
Yes. After that resolution, I downloaded the next day. It was
Hmm.
coming. It was loading all the backlog.
Hmm.
Same
Okay,
thing
so
again happened second time also, and now there is a third time.
when did you download it again, and until which date it is the data is getting captured now?
Mm. Up to 23rd.
Up to 23rd.
Yes.
Okay, so my suggestion for you is because check again tomorrow, and if the latest reports are getting captured or not. If not, drop an email to us onboarding at tatmeen.ae, then we will look into it, because every day this batch gets updated with the latest reports. Yes, there are few upcoming customization coming up which will be released in upcoming releases that we are aware of. Okay. So my
Okay.
suggestion for you is check again tomorrow,
Mm.
because today in the overnight the batch will execute the new reports. So check again tomorrow using the Spock login for the GLN, and then check if the latest reports are captured the latest information or not. If not, drop an email to us, please.
Okay. Okay. No problem. Thank
Okay.
you.
Thank you so
Thank you.
much. If there are any new questions, any participant can raise their hand. We will allow you the mic. Sajid, can you unmute yourself and ask your question? Sajid Mustafa, can you unmute yourself and ask your question? Sajid, you need to unmute yourself and ask your question, please. Riaz, can you unmute yourself and ask your question?
Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
Actually, I just wanted to inquire about something. We are a software company, so we have some clients onto this kind of industry. We just wanted to check, like, is there any API available for integration?
Yes. In order to integrate your system into Tatmeen, there are Tatmeen APIs, Postman collection available on tatmeen.ae website. Okay, so you or your team can download those particular Postman collections and then use it on the Postman for integration purpose.
Okay, so is there, it is readily available on the website, or we
Y-
have to like give a application or something for that?
No, just go to the just go to the link tatmeen.ae website in that onboarding journey and technical guides. So under technical guides, there is the fifth option is the Postman collections.
Okay,
Okay. So you can download that particular piece of code and then you can import that APIs in Postman collection. So that will help you out to understand the Tatmeen APIs.
okay, fine, got it. Okay,
And if you need any documentation pertaining to this, then technical guides for manufacturers and technical guide for logistics are something which will help you about the clear instructions about Tatmeen APIs.
okay, fine, got it. Okay,
All right.
okay, thank you.
Thank you so much. If there are any questions, any participant can raise their hands, please. If there is any questions from any participant, kindly raise your hand. I will allow you the mic. I'll keep this call open until 11:30. If there are any questions, any participant can raise their hand. We can discuss accordingly. Gokul Suresh, can you unmute yourself and ask your question?
Okay, we have an existing ERP for our company.
Mm-hmm.
So can we connect it to that mean or our
Sorry, come
ERP?
again. Come again with your question.
Okay, we have an already a running software ERP. So how can we connect that to this that mean?
Okay, so to integrate your ERP system to that mean you will have to work on that mean APIs. Okay,
Okay,
and in order to integrate this particular your ERP system to that mean the active B2B user on that mean can perform integration activities. So,
okay.
do you have a B2B user created, or you are yet to create a B2B user?
No, no, we haven't created.
Okay, so now you would be having a GLN and then a Spock, right?
Yes.
So the Spock user will have to create or invite an active a B2B user on the main portal, and
Okay,
B2B user will have to complete the registration on Tatmeen. Once registration is completed, the B2B user will have to log in developer portal and complete the registration of developer portal.
okay,
Okay, and that mean team will review the registration of B2B user and approve the access request for developer portal.
okay,
Upon receiving the approval from Tatmeen team, B2B user can log in developer portal, and over there, the B2B user can subscribe for APIs, consume APIs, and generate the API key. And using the API key, the B2B user can integrate ERP system with Tatmeen system.
okay,
Okay, so my
okay,
suggestion for you is go to tatmeen.ae website, technical guides, technical guide for onboarding. So check
okay,
this particular documentation. All the steps are very well explained. Okay,
okay, okay,
and that mean APIs are also available on Postman collection.
okay, okay. Thank you.
So this documentation will definitely help the B2B user to integrate ERP system with Tatmeen system.
Okay,
All
okay.
right.
Thank you. Yes,
Okay.
thank you.
Thank you. Okay, so since we don't have any hands raised by any other participants, we will conclude this call for this week, and we will share the meeting recording in next 24 hours from now. We will see. We will catch up again next week, same time, on next week. Thank you so much.